What's up, guys? Come back with a Christmas break, first ever box break. Thanks to my mother for Christmas present. Gonna do box 999. First ever. Hopefully it's good. Ooh, checklist. Empty. First pack. Here we go. Andrea Bargnani, 1849. Sorry, a Jose Calderon jersey card. Red. Numbered 249. Totally Tony Parker, 1849. Totally red. 499 Darko Milicic. Insert. Potential clip Blake Griffin, 249. Chase Budinger, 1849. Second pack. Chris Bosh, 1849. Decoy. Ooh, sorry, no. Steven Jackson autograph. Numbered 1 of 1. That is mojo. 1 of 1. Look at that. Totally red. Omir Caspi. Elton Brand. LaMarcus Aldridge. A 1 of 1. Triple nines. Rudy Gay. 1849. Lazar Haywood. Rookie. Auto. Number 2. 599. This might run short. I'm just going to go to the hits. Emeka Okafor. Andre Iguodala. Red jersey. 249. Shane Battier. Devin Harris. Eddie House. This is going to end. Russell Westbrook. Tayshaun Prince. 249. Totally blue. Tony Parker. 299. Totally gold. 21 to 25, James Harden.